Baby. How are you?
I am fine, Mom. What about you?
I am doing well. Do you know what time it is?
Yes, Mom. It is 9 o'clock. And this is time to go to school.
Wow. What a good boy you are. And before going to school, you must take your breakfast. Alright?
Yes, Mom. After taking bath, I am going to have my breakfast. Don't worry, Mom.
Okay, baby. Finish your bath as soon as possible. Time is going fast. Finish your breakfast quickly.
I am trying, Mom. What can I do if the meal remains?
Don't try to talk like a clever boy. I know this is your regular excuse before going to school.
Why don't you believe me, Mom? I am saying the truth.
Don't waste your time, please. Take fast and get prepared to go to school.
Mom, you want to know something?
Yes, ask your question.
Why should we study in school?
Good question. To learn about the world. To enrich your knowledge. To change the people's wrong mind. And to make your career glorified. Understand?
Yes, Mom, I understand. I have to learn more to enrich my knowledge. So let's go to school.